begin with their music.
सुप्रभात, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आइए आज हम आपके सामने लाए हैं एक अद्भुत नज़ारा, पुराने और नए का गजब का कारनामा। जी हाँ, पुराने ज़माने का मज़ा और नए ज़माने का धमाल। आओ देखिए कौन है सबसे कमाल। तो आइए तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए हमारे बाल कलाकारों का।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, इनकी ख्वाहिश को पूरा करिए और तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए इन नन्हे बाल कलाकारों का। Parents, please clap for their sweetness. इन गुलाबी गुलाबी चेहरों के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। ये आप सबका स्वागत करने आए हैं। Still more to go. Again, a welcome note for all of you.
Welcome.
Everybody come a welcome.
Welcome.
To the party come a welcome.
Welcome.
As another cup for everyone.
Welcome. 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 Everybody come a welcome. To the party come a welcome. There's another cup for everyone. Welcome. 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 Everybody come a welcome. To the
इश्काना ये नशा चखले जरा जरा कल का किसे पता जो मेरे संग न चले तो न चले जरा जरा क्या करूं मैं क्या तुझ पे ये मर मिटा मुझको न अवसरा आज मेरे संग न चले तो न चले जरा जरा
मस्ती का मौका है क्यों खुद को रोका है Don't you really wanna go?
Everybody come a welcome. To the party come a welcome. There's another cup for everyone. Welcome. 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 Everybody come a welcome. To the party.
I think इनके वेलकम से हम सब कन्विंस हो गए हैं। Put your hands together everyone. अब हो जाए जरा सुबह की राम राम। प्रस्तुत है आपके सामने छोटा सा राम दरबार। Moral values, ethics plays a very, very important role in our lives, and it is essential for all of us to teach these tiny tots the value of morals. आइए अब देखते हैं हमारे जेन जी आजकल के सेट सुबह की राम राम कैसे करते हैं. लेट्स एंजॉय इट ऑल टुगेदर. Just cherish this moment all together. Yes, थोड़ा सा remix हो जाए.
I salute to the spirit of these little children on stage. Parents, it is our duty to appreciate them with a clap.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम. नॉन स्टॉप फॉर आज की फॉर सेलिब्रेशन तेरे नाम. रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम. नॉन स्टॉप फॉर आज की फॉर सेलिब्रेशन तेरे नाम. रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम. रघुपति
एक हाथ में हमारी भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति और दूसरी ओर ग्लोबलाइजेशन.
समय, टाइम जो जस्ट किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता. बच्चों को समय का महत्व बताना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. So let's move to the Raj Kapoor era.
मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार. किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार. जीना इसी का नाम है. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार. किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार. जीना इसी का नाम है. मौला अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं. मौला अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं. मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, चले बाहर के लिए वो जिंदगी. किसी को होना अपने तो एतबार. जीना इसी का नाम है.
Yes, that was your Raj Kapoor era. Now moves to Ranbir Kapoor. Let's see how this generation act upon it.
पिघला दे
Ladies and gentlemen, a very passionate number, full of energy.
शमशीर कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया कर हर मैदान फतेह
Yes, just behind this group, the future leaders in the form of doctors, army person.
घायल परिंदा है तू दिखला दे जिंदा है तू बाकी है तुझ में हौसला तेरी जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे कर डाले तू जो फैसला
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदे हर मैदान फतेह
कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह
और मैदान को फतेह करने के बाद अब कागज में तो पंख लेके अपनी आशाओं को दर्शाने आ रहे हैं हमारे प्यारे प्यारे बाल कलाकार आपके समक्ष। Just watch out their delicate moves, how nicely they are performing in front of you.
कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वहीं चला हाय रे उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे जुबां पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे के देखे न भाले न जाने न दाए रे दिशा हरा क्या मुनबोका मुंटारे
Ladies and gentlemen, please appreciate their moves. Put your hands together. I think they are going to love it.
जाए दीवारे प्रेम कोई सेंध लागे अगर मगर बारी बारी जिया को यूं उछाले जिया नहीं गेंद लागे माटी को ये चंदन सा माथे पे सजाए रे जुबां पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे के देखे न भाले न जाने न दाए रे दिशा हरा क्या मुनबोका मुंटारे
I request my dear audience to wave your hands all together for our kids.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस
बहुत ही सुंदर दृश्य लगेगा ये.
खास आशाएं
Wave your hands all together.
हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
The greatest effort. So this was altogether a mini annual day in front of you by these tiny tots. Beautiful presentation.
Before that, an important announcement. The students for the prize distribution, please reach near the stage immediately. Now it is the time for the school report by the head girl, Tanvi.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, our esteemed guest of honor, Miss Anjali Sharma, ma'am, respected Rizvi, ma'am, esteemed team of Bharat Vikas Parishad, along with other distinguished presents. Respected Chairman, sir, Honorable Director Principal, ma'am, Head of our school, Soumya, ma'am, distinguished members of the School Management Committee, respected parents, dedicated staff, alumni, and dear fellow students. I would also like to mention that Miss Vidita Reddy, ma'am, Director of Education, who was present here among us just a few moments ago, but due to prior commitments, she had to leave the show a little early. So continuing with the show, it is with immense pride and joy that I, Tanvi, head girl of this prestigious institution, stand before you today as we celebrate a momentous occasion, the Golden Jubilee of our Arvachin Bharti Bhavan Senior Secondary School. Over the last 50 years, our school has stood as a beacon of excellence in education, character building, and holistic development. Our school logo says, Shishyaste Aham Shadhimam, means I am your student, give me knowledge. Arvachin has been imparting values and knowledge in its students since its inception in 1973, when the foundation of the school was led by late Shri Srinivas Sharma ji, along with co-founder Srimati Jaina Devi ji, whom we consider as the backbone of this institution. It means that this year, when we complete our 50 years of legacy in education, 50 years of golden past and a golden future, the seeds sown by our beloved Bauji have now bloomed into a huge tree, spreading its shade in the form of various branches, like Arvachin School, Balbir Nagar, Arvachin International, Dilshad Garden, APS Vasundhara, Arvachin School in Pilakwa, and Arvachin World School, Bhopura. Starting with the humble strength of just 129 students in the year 1973, now we cater to around 4,000 young and enthusiastic learners in a tech-savvy school equipped with all the modern infrastructure and facilities. The journey had been full of challenges. It was year 1985 when we had our first batch of class 10th. And in 1986, our maiden batch of class 12th was registered. Since then, we have been performing miraculously by giving our best shot and attaining a remarkable percentage in board exams. The past year has been a landmark one in many ways, further solidifying our commitment to fostering growth and excellence. The school acknowledges efforts, sincerity, and perseverance of all the staff members. It is not just a day's story, but staff's diligence and efficiency has been a culture here, due to which we have proved our mettle in scholastic and co-scholastic arenas like sports, NCC, music, etc. A school have continued to achieve stellar results in board exams. A total of 275 students appeared in the examination, out of which 606 distinctions were bagged by our inquisitive minds. There were 50 students who bagged distinctions in all the 5 subjects. Besides, there were 17 students who impressed everyone by accomplishing their dream by attaining 90% and above in aggregate. This year, our students excelled in sports, winning accolades everywhere. We bagged first positions at zonal senior boys, senior girls in badminton, and cricket sub-junior boys. Second positions at zonal badminton junior boys, throw ball junior boys, handball junior girls. We attained third positions at zonal chess senior girl, throw ball junior girls, throw ball senior boys, volleyball senior boys, and school band of boys. Arvachin also won 49 medals in zonal athletics meet, which comprises 12 gold medals, 23 silver medals, and 14 bronze medals. Badminton senior boys won second position at inter-school zonal level of Delhi State. We proudly mention that Ranveer Chaudhary of 11th G got second position in 10-meter pistol. Dhruvi Gangwar of 11th B stood third in athletics. Next mention is Arnav Kaul of 12th C, who represented in Delhi State Cricket under 19 category, and Shagun Sharma in CBSE National Skating Championship. We have also left our mark CBSE cluster tournaments, where our senior handball boys achieved third position, and we had a second position in 500 meter skating. Our cultural and literary club have also been active, with students participating in and winning competitions at zonal, district, state and national levels. Here also we have many praiseworthy mentions like first positions in zonal folk song boys, solo song junior girl, instrumental junior girl, solo classical dance junior boys, semi-classical senior boys and Qawwali. In addition to that, we bagged 16 second positions and 17 third positions in zonal literary and cultural competitions. The students of Arvachin have left their mark at various inter-school competitions and attained significant number of positions there also. We have got some meritorious mentions here also, like Kanak Toshniwal of 12th D winning first position in story writing at National Youth Festival. Second position of drama at Kala Utsav. Rajasthani group folk dance attained second position, cash prize of rupees 7,500 along with a trophy for school. Divyanshi Khurana of 8th C got second position and a cash prize of rupees 1,500 in story writing competition at Millennium India Education Foundation. And last but not the least, Pakhi Gupta of 8th A received third position and a cash prize of rupees 1,000 in story writing competition at National Vatsala Kakru Memorial. In alignment with our mission to nurture socially responsible citizens, our school participated in various initiatives like tree plantation drives, awareness campaigns in the form of Nukkad Nataks, painting competitions, debates and declamations, slogan writing competitions advised by DOE, CBSE and other equivalent competent authorities. Our alumni network continues to make us proud with individuals excelling in diverse fields. Myriads of our students are engineers, scientists, doctors, CAs, lawyers, teachers, and other respectable professionals. Some of them are here among us as our mentors and teachers. Reflecting on the journey of these 5 decades, Arvachin has evolved from its humble beginning into a reputed institution, known for its unwavering commitment to values and excellence. This has been possible because of the collective efforts of our founders, teachers, students, and parents. As we step into the next chapter of our journey, our vision remains steadfast: to provide quality education, embrace innovation, and nurture young minds to become global citizens. Resting my words, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has been part of this incredible journey. Let us strive for excellence and make Arvachin shine even better in the years to come. Thank you, and I wish everyone a wonderful annual day celebration.
Thank you, Tanvi. You were wonderful for the report of school. And we welcome Mr. and Mrs. R.S. Bandhu on this auspicious occasion of completing 50 years of Arvachin. Thank you, sir, with all the dignitaries to be a part of this.
बहुत बहुत स्वागत। और मैं बहुत देर से सोच रही थी कि कुछ बच्चे तो उछल कूद कर रहे हैं, आवाज में भी बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन जब तक बंधु सर नहीं होंगे तो बात ही नहीं बनेगी। अभी आपके सामने थोड़ा सा प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, उसके बाद आपकी मधुर आवाज में, क्योंकि साथ में पत्नी है तो कुछ तो खुलना चाहिए। सो आप रिजवी जी, आपको मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ आपकी मुखारबिंद से 2 शब्द बच्चों के लिए।
नमस्कार। इतना अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पर आके कि मैं बता नहीं सकती। और मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैडम आपकी कि आपने मुझे फिर से दोबारा ये मौका दिया यहाँ आने के लिए। इस स्वर्ण जयंती की शुरुआत में भी मेरा सौभाग्य था कि मैं यहाँ पर थी, और इसके समापन समारोह में भी मुझे ये सौभाग्य मिला है कि मैं आपके साथ आके ये खुशी बांट सकूं और इन बच्चों का ये उत्साह देख सकूं। कहते हैं मुहावरे भी जो हैं वो बदल जाते हैं उनका मीनिंग, और आज मैंने वो देखा है। कहते हैं दिन में तारे दिखा देना, इसका तो बड़ा अजीब मतलब होता था, लेकिन आज जो यहाँ बच्चे सारे थे वो ऐसे लग रहा था कि पूरे आफताब की रोशनी में, पूरे सूर्य की रोशनी में सारे सितारे साफ साफ दिख रहे हैं। और इससे अच्छा माहौल क्या होगा कि जहाँ पर राम का दरबार भी सजा हो, जहाँ खुदा की रूहानियत का भी जो है वो सम्मान किया जा रहा है, संगीत हर तरफ बह रहा है, बच्चे इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं इस स्कूल के कि फिर वो चाहे स्पोर्ट्स में जा रहे हैं, चाहे वो रेसलिंग में जा रहे हैं, चाहे वो संगीत में जा रहे हैं, चाहे वो किसी डिबेट में, और फिर अपने सब्जेक्ट में 90-95% लेके आना, ये अपने आप में ये जताता है कि ये स्कूल बच्चों की ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट पे वर्क कर रहा है। मैं इस मंच से उन सारे पेरेंट्स का और मैडम आपका और सारे टीचर्स का धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि मंत्रालय की तरफ से, पर्यावरण मंत्रालय की तरफ से जितने भी कार्यक्रम होते हैं, मैडम खुद उसमें आगे बढ़ के ना कि ही इन बच्चों को पार्टिसिपेट कराती हैं बल्कि हमारी भी हेल्प करती हैं। मैं इस मंच से आपका धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ, और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि इस कार्यक्रम में एक पेड़ माँ के नाम का भी जो है वो सम्मान किया गया, उसको रखा गया है। और जो कार्यक्रम में मैडम 5 जून को सम्मिलित हुई थी, उसको आज 24 दिसंबर तक ये लेके चल रही हैं और आगे भी लेके चलेंगी। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि यहाँ बैठे हुए सारे बच्चे, सारे पेरेंट्स एक एक पेड़ अपनी माँ के नाम ज़रूर लगाएंगे, और यही सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि हमारी अपनी माँओं के लिए और भारत माँ के लिए होगी। इसी से देश आगे बढ़ेगा। इतना खूबसूरत अद्भुत नज़ारा था। मैं आपको मैडम सम्मान के साथ ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम सब यही नहीं, स्वर्ण जयंती नहीं, हम शताब्दी जयंती भी मनाएंगे और उसके आगे भी मनाएंगे। हम रहें ना रहें ये इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है, ये मिशन एजुकेशन का चलना चाहिए। मैं एक बार अपने तहे दिल से उनको भी सम्मान देना चाहती हूँ जो इसके फाउंडर हैं, क्योंकि कहते हैं हज़ारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावर पैदा। ऐसी सोच रखने वाले जो न सिर्फ अपने बच्चों को, अपने परिवार को पढ़ाना चाहें, बल्कि समाज के लिए एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशन खड़ा कर दें जिसमें हर वर्ग का, हर लिंग का, हर प्रदेश का आके बच्चा पढ़ सकता है, ये एक बहुत बड़ी सोच होती है। तो आप सब उनके सम्मान में एक बार ज़ोरदार तालियां बजाइए, क्योंकि अगर ये उनकी पहल ना होती तो आज ना ये कार्यक्रम होता और ना यहाँ से हज़ारों बच्चे निकल के पूरे देश को, ना ही देश को बल्कि कितने बच्चे विदेश चले गए होंगे, और वो सब जो हैं वो अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दे रहे हैं एक अच्छा समाज बनने के लिए। बच्चों, मैं आपसे बस इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब हम सुनते हैं कि इतने % मार्क्स आए, पर इस दौड़ में बिल्कुल मत रहिए, चीज़ों को समझिए, क्योंकि मार्क्स इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं होते हैं। ज़रूरी ये है कि आप जो भी विषय आपको अच्छा लगता है, जो भी विषय आपको समझ में नहीं आता, उसको समझ के उसमें आप अपने से कॉम्पिटिट करिए। किसी कोई बच्चे से कॉम्पिटिट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, और अपनी प्रोग्रेस देखिए। और एग्ज़ाम को अभी हमारे यहाँ शुरू होगा, परीक्षा पे चर्चा का भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर इतना उस पर ज़ोर देते हैं, तो अच्छे मन से जैसे आज खुश हैं वैसे ही अपनी परीक्षाओं में भी इसी उत्साह के साथ पार्टिसिपेट करिएगा। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। जय हिंद।
थैंक यू मैम। आपने सभी हमारे स्कूल के सभी मोतियों को एक माला में बहुत ही अच्छे से पिरोया, और अब अभी से अनुरोध है कि मैम प्लीज़ मंच पर आइए। Now we are moving towards the prize distribution.
Yes, और साथ साथ हमारी अंजलि जी, उसके साथ हमारे बैठे साइंटिस्ट महोदय मंगेश जी, हमारे बंधु जी, हमारे छोटे भाई। मुझे पता लग गया आप मेरे से 2-3 साल छोटे हैं, इसलिए मैं बंधु भाई कह सकती हूँ। हमारे चेयरमैन सर, हमारे डायरेक्टर अभिनव और अरुण जी, हमारे मैनेजर, ये जितने आगे हैं थोड़ा सा प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का काम है। स्टेज पे तशरीफ करें।
Requesting all the
बहुत
dignitaries to move
इतनी
towards
लंबी
the
लिस्ट
stage.
कि हम अगर अवार्ड देते रहें बच्चों को तो वो ख़त्म नहीं होगी। लेकिन ये सारा श्रेय मैं बच्चों को नहीं दूंगी, मैं आप सबको दूंगी। आप हैं जो मेरे साथ हैं। आप अपने लिए एक बार तालियां जोरदार। आपके बिना मेरा स्कूल अधूरा है। आप अपने बच्चों को सुबह उठाकर, रोते हुए बच्चे को, हंसते हुए बच्चे को दूध की बोतल हाथ में देते हुए पता नहीं कैसे कैसे करते हैं। कहीं तो सास बोलती है क्या क्रूर बहू है, सुबह उठा देती है, वो दादी का प्यार। लेकिन आज की 21वीं सदी की पीढ़ी की जो माँ है उसे पता है कि आज अगर मैं अपने बच्चे को आगे नहीं बढ़ाऊंगी, शिक्षा में आगे से प्रवीण नहीं करूंगी तो ये संसार नहीं चलेगा। जैसे मोदी जी ने नोटबंदी से क्या कर दिया, एक कार्ड में तब्दील कर दिया। इसी तरह मैं आप सबका साथ चाहूंगी। उसमें से कुछ चुनिंदे अवार्ड हम इस स्टेज पे देने का कष्ट करेंगे। हम अपने HOS से गुजारिश करेंगे कोई स्टेज पर पहुंचे। हमारे बीच में HOS वसुंधरा भी हैं, आप भी पहुंचे। धन्यवाद।
So now it is the time to felicitate the hard work.
Yes, it is said that respect and recognition are the greatest rewards one can give to a deserving individual. Today, we have the privilege of honoring those who have made remarkable contribution and achievements in their respective fields. This segment is dedicated to the recognition of the outstanding efforts of our students as well as teachers. As we have already recognized 10th and 12th toppers on the ceremony of 14th August this year. So very big hands for all the toppers out there who secured 10% and above 90% in their board examination. Now moving towards cultural and literary segment, we have Qawwali. Ladies and gentlemen, you have just seen the Qawwali presentation in front of you that secured throughout the first position at zonal and district and state level. So all the Qawwals once again on the stage as they receive the jacket from the school side. And now the chief guest, I request to you to present the special guest and the other dignitaries. Please come forward and present them the memento. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this Qawwali group in front of you. Siddharth, Priyanshu, Aditya, Om Jindal, Bharat Verma, Amandev, Advik, Aprimit, Anurag, Preet, Ujjwal, Taranjeet, Divyansh Vedic, Lakshay and Anubhav. These are all the students of different classes from class 8 onwards to class 12. Beautiful school jacket from our side. Once again, congratulations to you all. Keep going and keep shining. Next we have solo classical instrumental. I request Kusum Lata ma'am to kindly grace the stage. Mrs. Kusum Lata ji, please kindly grace the stage to present the awards. Move towards the stage. Thank you, ma'am. Solo classical instrumental, which also secured first position at zonal and district and third position at state level. Would like to call Niyati Chitransh, student of 8G, ladies and gentlemen, in front of you. As I told you, this is a magical girl of our school. Magic in her fingers. Played different types of instruments all together. Getting a memento. In solo classical instrumental, this is Niyati Chitransh. Congratulations to you. Now in solo classical dance category, Jigyasa, student of class 6, please come forward. As she secured second position at zonal, first at district and third at state level. This is Jigyasa, student of class 6. Yes, how can we leave behind the group dance number? Rajasthani Dance Academy securing second position altogether. Please girls join us on the stage. Gargi, Tamanna Ahuja, Nadia Habib, Hanshika, Manvi, Divyanshi getting a trophy and a cash prize of rupees 7,500. Each one of getting 1,250 rupees each. So very heartiest congratulations to these girls for bringing laurels to our school. This is Rajasthani Dance Academy securing second position altogether. Gargi, Tamanna, Nadia, Hansika, Manvi and Divyanshi. Yes, getting 1,250 cash prize along with a trophy. Congratulations, girls. Next on our list is National Youth Festival. They are also getting a memento from our school side, participating in story writing competition. Yes, please kindly note it is about 15 to 29 years of age group competition in which Kanak Toshniwal secured first position at district level, appeared at the state level too, and entitled a cash prize of rupees 4,000. Right now getting the memento from the school side. This is Kanak Toshniwal. At National Youth Festival, story writing competition, congratulations. Now coming towards literary, we have drama, Kala Utsav district level competition in which we secured second position. Sweta Singh, Arush Singh, Piyush Kasana, Shraddha Talyan and Takshil Bharti. Students of class 11th in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for their motivation so that they can move further and further. Getting a memento from the side to mark their recognition as they secured second position in drama held under Kala Utsav. It's a district level competition. Congratulations to this team. Now how can we forget the head girl of the school, Tanvi Rai, student of class 12G, getting a trophy for the debate competition organized by CSIR on Vishwa Hindi Divas Samaro, getting second position. This is Tanvi Rai in front of you, our head girl of the school, getting a trophy by securing second position in Vishwa Hindi Divas Samaro. Congratulations, Tanvi. We also witnessed the Hindustan Times Lit Fest in which we secured first position in craft contest, and here we have Arush, student of 7G in front of you, getting a certificate and a trophy. So we are here and there, everywhere, ladies and gentlemen, whether it is art or literary. Now moving towards the Science Exhibition Activities 2024-25 that was held under the guidance of DOE Delhi. Science Toon Hazel, student of class 4B, secured third position. Congratulations, Hazel. You are getting a certificate and a bronze medal. It is held under DOE Delhi, the Science Exhibition, Science Toon, getting a medal and a certificate. This is Hazel, student of 4th B. Congratulations. Next we have poster making competition in which Ashima Bachchan, student of class 5th F, got second position. Here we have Ashima getting the certificate and a silver medal. My dear parents out there, put your hands together for each one of them. It's a very, very proud moment for all of them. Congratulations. In slogan writing competition, we secured 3rd position, and this goes to Shrishti Sharma, student of class 8D. Shrishti, please come forward to get your certificate, gold medal and a trophy. Now everyone, Savdhan! It's time to facilitate the NCC cadets All India Girls Trekking Expedition getting the certificate. Kanak Sharma, please come forward. Student of 10th B, which held at Dharamshala between 7th to 14th of June this year. All India Girls Trekking Expedition. She is our NCC cadet. We are proud to have NCC in our school. All the girls are doing their wonderful job. Charvi Agarwal, student of 9th F. The venue was Ajmer between 14th to 21st of November this year. Lovely, lovely output. So she is Charvi Agarwal, ladies and gentlemen, student of 9th F. Please put your hands together. I think उनके parents भी होंगे, वो आसपास सबको motivate करें clap के लिए. Thank you. In CBSE, we have Skating National Championship in which Shagun Sharma, student of 10th E. We are going to felicitate Shagun Sharma, student of 10th E. It is at Shiv Ganga Sports Club, Belgaum, Karnataka. Getting a jacket from the Arvachin side with her name inscribed on it. Congratulations, Shagun. Yes, sports, throw ball championship between 8th to 11th of November this year, ladies and gentlemen. And the venue was Vivek Group of Colleges, Bijnor. Harshit Yadav, Shashank Pathak and Shaurya Dasmana, student of class 10. I told you we are everywhere, here, there, everywhere, whether it is sports, arts or literary. So in throw ball championship, our school participated at Bijnor, and here we are felicitating Harshit Yadav, Shashank Pathak, Shaurya Dasmana, student of class 10.
Every moment, Arvachin is scaling new heights. A good leader can inspire, hope, ignite, and imagination, and a love of learning. Presenting the jacket to Shashank Pathak, student of class 10th H, along with a certificate. Keep going, guys. You have to win more and more. And Shaurya Dasmana, student of class 10th H, in front of you, presenting a certificate along with the jacket. A big round of applause from parents. Audience, appreciation is always required. They need your blessings, they need your appreciation. Yes, it is a combined hard work of you and teachers and the school management. Congratulations to all the students out there. As I told you, it's time to felicitate the teachers too along with the students. So I'm calling out the teachers for the award for 100% result.
सर आपके सामने टीचर्स आ रही जिनका 100% रिजल्ट होता है, या आपने पिछली बार भी देखा हर टीचर को हम सर्टिफिकेट और कैश प्राइज से नवाजते हैं। टीचर्स के लिए एक बार तालियां जो आपकी गुरु हैं। So calling out class 10th achievers starting with Miss Anupam Sharma,
getting a memento and a cash prize along with the certificate. She is our English teacher teaching class 10th. In English department, we have again Miss Shraddha Mishra. Please come forward to receive your memento, a cash prize and a certificate by bringing 100% cent% result in class 10. Ladies and gentlemen, a big applause for our teachers. They also need your motivation. Again, English. Miss Tripti Mehra, please come forward to receive your memento, a cash prize and a certificate. Big kudos to the English department. After her, again in English, we have Miss Seema Sharma ma'am. Please come forward to get your memento, cash prize and a certificate. So back to back, we have 4 teachers from our English department. After English, we move on to Hindi. From Hindi, we have Miss Bhagwati Devi. Please come forward to get your recognition. Dear audience, we need your applause too along with the artificial one. Please put your hands together. Miss Sonam Pandey, again from Hindi department. Getting 10% result in class 10th. Next we have teachers from Maths department. Miss Rajni Kumar. 10% result in the very obvious subject, ladies and gentlemen, maths. It's not an easy task to get the 10% result in maths, but if you like it, if you love it, you can secure it. Miss Nikita Pahuja receiving the memento, cash prize and a certificate by the hands of the dignitaries. After maths, from the science department, Miss Supriya Singh, kindly come forward and get your memento, certificate and a cash prize. It is for the motivation only, ladies and gentlemen, that our school is presenting and honoring all the teachers out there. After Miss Supriya, Miss Rajni Dheer, please move forward. I request my teachers out there to put your hands together for your teachers, for your companions, for your colleagues. Put your hands together. Miss Neha Dhingra, please get your memento, cash prize and a certificate.
CO2. Sorry, chemistry teacher.
Miss Neha Dhingra, one more from the science department, Miss Diya Bisht. Coming forward to get her memento, cash prize and a certificate. Dangerous subject, social studies. We have Miss Nimisha Singh getting the 10% result in class 10. My dear teachers, students, please guide the parents to put their hands together. It's a very prestigious movement out there for the teachers. In Sanskrit, we have Miss Rekha Joshi getting 10% result in Sanskrit subject. And in IT, that is Information Technology, Miss Tapi, please come forward and receive your memento, cash prize and a certificate. the requirement for the day, the technology, the information technology that is very much required in getting 100% result in that area. Congratulations to all the teachers of class 10th. Now, class 12 teachers we have from English department, Miss Rashi Dua. Ma'am, please come forward and get your certificate, cash prize and a memento by the worthy hands of Miss Anjali Sharma, the special guest for the day, along with her director of the school, Dr. Urmila Sharma ma'am. And in home science, we have Miss Anamika Satpuri. This is last but not the least. Everyone, please put your hands together for all the teachers out there, whether it is class 10, 12 or any other class. Congratulations to all the teachers as well as students.
हेलो हेलो, ये स्कूल की जान, भूखो भजन नहीं होए कृपाला, ये लो अपनी कंठी माला। ये हमारी होम साइंस टीचर, इनके बिना हम चाय पानी भी नहीं ले सकते। वो बच्चा रिजल्ट भी देता है और घर भी संभालती हैं। धन्यवाद।
अन्नपूर्णी।
और सबसे बड़ी बात ये स्कूल की एलुमनाई है, उससे भी बड़ी बात कि लगातार हैट्रिक बना रही है अपने रिजल्ट में।
Yes, good add-ons by the director of the school. Our next honoree is our school head, Miss Soumya Anurup Sharma, who has been a source of inspiration, contributing significantly with our incredible dedication. She is also a state awardee 2021. Miss Soumya Anurup Sharma, ladies and gentlemen, getting Shikshak Samman 2023. I request the dignitaries to kindly present the trophy to our HOD, head of the school, Miss Soumya Anurup Sharma.
Depicting the qualities of a good leader who inspire imagination and a love of learning to all the members of the Arvachin Parivar.
It is not yet over. She also got the certificate of achievement in her recognition of her outstanding achievements in the field of education, honoring him as the Best Education Institution Award 2024, certificate and a trophy for the lady. Miss Rizvi is presenting the certificate and a trophy to HOS of the school, Miss Soumya Anurup Sharma. A certificate of participation for Mind Mingle Indo-Norway International Education Summit Awards 2024. Getting the 2 certificates back to back. Green Educators Network. List is not yet over, ladies and gentlemen. She also get Green Educator Network in recognition of their active participation in the Green Educators on-site program, focused on educating for sustainability, getting the certificate. World Wetland Day, that was a Nukkar Natak from our school side, getting a trophy for that. Receiving on behalf of the school, our HOS, Soumya Anurup Sharma. She also attended 2 days 30th National Annual Conference of Sahodaya School Complexes 2024 recently at Kolkata at 6th and 7th of December. She also got the certificate of participation there. Last but not the least, award of honor to our school for outstanding contribution in celebrating of National Maths Day 2024. For that, she is getting a shield. Ladies and gentlemen, where are your claps? We need your motivation.
Organized by Sahodaya National Maths Day at ASN Public School, Mayur Vihar.
Beautiful patka and award presented to her by the hands of Miss Anjali Sharma, our special guest of the day. Congratulations, ma'am, and thank you for your true efforts. After her, there is a brain behind the Brilliance Award, and this goes to the director of the school, our school director, Dr. Urmila Sharma, ma'am. She is also a state awardee 2003 and got CBSE award in 2010. Yes, brain behind the Brilliance Award for our school director, Dr. Urmila Sharma. Everyone, please put your hands together.
One more added to a big list of achievements. She had been recipient of many prestigious awards. School has been awarded ISA award twice. It is all because of the efforts and the guidance of Director Principal Ma'am, Dr. Urmila Sharma.
Now we have a Vision Builder Award in the honor of our school chairman, Shri Anurup Sharma ji. I would like to call him in between to receive a Vision Builder Award.
Neha ma'am, I would like to add 2 more words. सर के लिए हम जितना भी कहें कम ही रहेगा हमेशा. हमारे प्यारे बाबूजी स्वर्गीय श्री श्रीनिवास जी के सुपुत्र श्री अनुरूप शर्मा जी और श्री अरुण शर्मा जी मंच पर हैं. ये सदैव बाबूजी के साथ रहे, पूरी मेहनत के साथ अर्वाचीन के वटवृक्ष की शाखाओं में बहुत ही सुंदर और सुशील और मेहनत के साथ कार्य कर रहे हैं. और हमारे छात्र छात्राएं पूरे विश्व में अर्वाचीन का पताका लहरा रहे हैं. और हर पल, हर वर्ष, हर फील्ड में अर्वाचीन के ताज में एक नया नग जुड़ रहा है. और उसके पीछे हमारे हैं चेयरमैन सर मिस्टर अनुरूप शर्मा. सर, we are so thankful to have a strong backbone like you and blessings and guidance of yours. Thank you, sir, for being the guiding spirit of Arvachin Shiksha Samiti.
It's truly said, ma'am. He is there since its inception from 1973 till date.
अभी आप कैसे ख़त्म कर सकते हैं? अभी तो मेरे हाउस का रह गया है. पूरे साल सारी टीचर्स बच्चों से बहुत सारे एक्टिविटी कराती हैं. उनके अंदर जितनी प्रतिभाएं हैं उनको निकालती हैं. कभी कभी कहती घर से तैयार होके आओ. तो कोई कोई माँ तो बहुत खुश होके करती है कि मैं भी ऐसे ही करती थी. कोई कोई तो सोती रह जाती हैं और किसी किसी के पापा भी करते हैं. पर मिला जुला रिजल्ट टीचर्स के माध्यम से हम हाउस स्कूल में देते हैं. 6 तरह के हाउसेस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. उसमें पूरे साल आकलन कर कर ये देखा जाता है कि किस हाउस ने सबसे ज़्यादा काम किया, किस टीचर ने बच्चों का मनोबल बढ़ाया. और इस बार हमारे बीच में टैगोर हाउस फर्स्ट आया है. उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां. तो टीचर से गुजारिश कि एक बार स्टेज पर आए, अपने चेयरमैन, गेस्ट, स्पेशल गेस्ट सभी के हाथ से उसे
In school, altogether, we have 6 houses running. So, among them, Tagore House is the winner for the session. So, very big hand to all the teachers and the students for their remarkable duties they perform throughout the year. This is Tagore House Trophy to all the ladies.
For the achievement and bringing laurels to the school.
This completes our prize distribution ceremony. Thank you all the dignitaries for gracing the stage and presenting the awards.
My humble request to all the dignitaries to please take your places and we'll enjoy the rest of the programs. And the next on my list is Unity in Diversity. Will be presented by students of class 3 to 5. विभिन्नता में एकता.
उससे पहले मंजली जी से गुजारिश करेंगे, आपके शब्द मुखारबिंद से रह गए, नहीं आप उधर पहुंचिए. हमारा तो उत्साह बढ़ाना ही पड़ेगा. मैम जो छक्के चौके मारती हूँ वो ही कर दीजिए.
Students are getting ready on the stage. Before that, my humble request to Miss Anjali ma'am to please say 2 words and motivate and bless us all.